not even survive. National water must continue to grow.
Engineer Serva Mugisha nagira ngo bwa hati ekitongore nikibanja ba kasitoma sente zigerekerwe ezero kurengo mu buhumbi 17 ngo konka abakozi baremerwe kubanja sente ezi.
And manager, I want you to understand these guidelines very well. You have a pickup. We don't expect this pickup to go to Kampala anytime soon. Whatever you need from Kampala, let them put it on a bus. And it does what? Procurement. You are the procurement person. Anything you want from Kampala, they should pack it properly, put it on the bus. Taro buses kuraba bus kuzakunji.
Ogo noho yaraborra abakozi b'ekitongore abarikukwatanisa naba kasitoma okwiba amizi.
Ebintu byokweyiye this kweyiya business of yours, because this response rate of 43% for every 100 customers billed, we are collecting money, only 43 are paying. It means the other 57 muryoko muyono mweyiya nabo.
Okurambura emyanya egi nka MD n'enkora y'okugarizamwa abakozi amani okukora kurungi emirimo yabo orokukurra enshonga z'ekitongore n'abantu. Samuel Epedel nagira ngo kuhisya abantu obuhereza bw'amizi tugwakira muzano bitu buri omwe natekwa kukikora.
I may say nice things about you, but you must improve, like the MD said. Have that analytical framework. Where were we the other time? Where are we now? Where do we want to go?
Kanda misa gutushohoza na gutusapurayinga aha yagontsferwa ho 23%, 22%. Kandi target yitunki batfira ba raise we are 23%.
Ekitongore ky'amizi kya National Water and Sewerage Corporation nicho kiri kujunaanizibwa okutambuza amizi okugasya ahari buri munya-Uganda. Gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.